Okay, you can see we're back at it again. Breaking in this clutch, I broke my shift selector fork. If anyone knows these G5M transmissions, there's problems with shift forks, which were upgraded to the newer Mazda units, and that one just bit the dust. Anyhow, I wanted to provide an update on my last G5M Rebuild video. I had figured out a better way to do it since that was filmed, and since I've been back in this trans again here, I thought I'd take a video while I had it apart and we're going back together again. Anywho, I use a punch. I actually used this one, my roll pin punch that I've been using for everything else in this trans. And with the gears out, of course, you come in long ways this way and you push it in, and I have a straight pick. It's actually a Harbor Freight pick. And then I use a little bit of axle grease to just hold the ball in there because I can't use the magnet trick anymore. I replaced everything with stainless steel last time I was in there. Anywho, you start by getting the shaft in there, same as my other video. I have this fully retained. It's not going to jump out on me. You kind of start by getting this one in there. You finagle your top one in. You do have to separate them just a little bit to get that in there. There is a little nub you can, well, maybe you just can't see it in the video. There you go. This little nub right here has to get past the shaft. But once you kind of do that, you should be resting on this ledge here, just like I showed in the other video. I don't have anyone else to film this, so you're going to be resting on this piece of paper here, and it's just enough, I think, to hold you up. So I can get the shot. Excuse me. All right, hold on. It's going to stay. Okay, I think y'all are gonna stay there. Anywho, you got everything in here, just waiting to slide in. Lift up the shaft. Get in there. There she goes. She just slips in. And see if we can't get everything lined up here. There we go. There we go. When she's in, you just pull the pin, and that's it. Much easier.